MMT, good morning. It's been a wonderful, wonderful Saturday morning as we are looking at where the market was printing. And the market was printing here. It's called Bear ETFs. And you have very, very, very broad based gains across the board. And what that means, MMTs, when this broad based bear side is going up, the 10-day correction that we called at the top is in play. And we've had two 5-day periods in the broader market, and we're looking for the bear side advance versus the bull side retracement. So the bull trend is coming down in value, and they're probably taking more value out of the bull trend, and the bear side is where it's printing. So if I'm trading an individual name in the morning, then I know that I'm going to be a short seller and the equity's higher because this is broad-based gain. So on an intraday level is how do I tie this in on an intraday level? So if an equity pops up $2 in pre-market, why am I selling that short on the high? It drops to $2 of the pre-market gap and then goes negative $2 and you end up with $4. And what is the probability of that happening on the 5-day trading ranges, which is 5 days, Monday through Friday? And that's a weekly range. So we're going to take the ones here that have done the best. This is the range today. And we're going to put these on our list so that the higher beta range intraday on the bear ETFs are bought at support. Then at support, it's supported because the market, the broader indexes are still correcting. These things are going to bounce off that support level. So if I'm buying the TZA and it's got a $2 range and I get hit wholesale $1.50 below the breakout top range, I'm going to make a pretty good yield. And I'm going to make good yield from my wholesale entries below the top range. Wholesale means I'm buying lower down there. That's going to give me a limit out transaction to the public who wants to start buying these. And why will the bear at times bounce off support? Well, they're going to bounce off support in the ETFs when the bull correction is in play. And that's why this side of the market at support works. The bull side, on the other hand, is quite invert. So I'm shorting the high of the bull intraday, and then I'm buying the bottom of the bear range because it's going to bounce off support. When that one bounces off support, my bull short intraday high is going to go down in value. So I would be diversified with a bottom up trade here and a short entry intraday on one of the names that we covered. Basically, when you tie in the two components for trade management is knowing why you can short the high of the day on the bull correction and buy the bottom of a bear ETF, depending on what sector. Some of these are related to sectors and indexes and things like that. And some of these ETFs, it doesn't matter what it does. The only thing that matters to us is the total volume, the historical volume, and the range, because the MMT Market Maker School is all about your wholesale to retail and retail back to wholesale. So what we look at for the intraday with the least amount of risk is when we are in bull corrections for 2 weeks, as we said before the correction happened. They're all on the stock market funding index, wherever they are on the site there, you'll get them. So we're going to focus on picking out the best range, and then we're going to find an equity that has a top end range selling. So you can sell the equity at resistance, and then you can buy a bear ETF at the bottom and it will bounce, and you'll have two trades working together. And once again, the whole thing about the school is how do we correlate the components in the trade management? And we're clearly going to define whether it's this particular one that we're looking at doing or several others that we do. They will all work the same, MMTs. And when we are at bull tops and bear bottoms mean that these things for a number of months, they've been getting beat down for 2 years, and they're finally, when there's a correction, when there's a bull correction, this is where you're going to make money off the bottom here and shorting the top end of the equity. Once again, it will be a program requirement that will be made. And the program requirement means the trade management and the trading division is that new enrollees are going to work with learning why the bear bounces off the bottom intraday, and that within the bear move they're going to learn on the bull at resistance is going to sell off, and they're going to correlate those. They're going to put those trades together, and some are going to be doing them live and some will be doing them in the MMT paper trading division, but you're going to become quite diversified, knowing what will bounce off support levels during certain markets stronger, and what will be selling off consistently at the upper overbought market, because the markets are overbought. And 3 weeks ago, almost a month, we said, hey, it's time to find the most overbought stocks on a weekly chart, and they would come down. And we've had the beginning of this bull rally correction. How far it goes, when it stops, though, we will be buying the bull, and the bear we would short at resistance. So this is the things that we're going to do, and I'm going to do several of the best leaders in here for us MMTs that we can trade.